Hi, today I'm playing Afterlife game. Oh, so I was distracted by my Netflix. Okay, let's go. Play. Fly? Alright. I played this before and I thought it was possible, which it is. Oh. Wait, but this game makes no sense, you know why? Because I'm Ghost. Ghost and I can, fly through things? Why, not all ghosts can do that. I'm pretty sure all ghosts can do that, can't they? Yes, they can. Whoa, it's mean to attack. Ah! Oh, Lego friends. Oh my god, that scared me so much. I just pause it while the end. Okay, ads over. No, go away. Stop. Don't hurt my grandma. Is it meant to be my grandma? Or is it my wife? Oh my god, so good. Revenge. Oh my god, yes. See, is he not scared? Alan, I hated you on day one, Alan. You bullied me so hard by not... Oh, play! Oh, I hate this one. Why are we playing that? Whoa. This one took me 15 minutes last time. I did it. And I'm only allowed to record for 15 minutes because of screen cap. Oh my god, that made me jump that time. I might pause it while I do this because it's probably going to take me. Okay, I finally did it. Okay, so let's go. What's green, fuzzy, and if it fell out of a tree, it would kill you? A rhino. I bet you. That's, a jack. Ugh. It's a pool table. That is not funny. Snowballs. What do you call a Mexican mayonnaise? That's your mom. I think it said your mom, right? So, oh god, I'll pause it. Before I actually said BRB, I meant to say right back. I think it was Oh, it was the purple one. I hate this. Pool table. Snowballs. I don't know what that says. Oh, it's actually the blue one. What do you call a sheep with no legs? A cloud. Oh, I did it! Party. I get to Oh god, we actually need to do something. Thought we just got a day off. I forgot. I played this a long time ago. As I said, I said, oh, I should have got 2 mouses. I have another mouse near me somewhere, but actually no, I don't. Someone took it. Gosh. How long does this go for? Because I'm freaking out. I can't do this. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh god, no! 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 Oh, no. I thought I'd just get to the party, but is there another mouse here somewhere? Is it a broken mouse? Yes, it is. So I can't move. Oh. Oopsie, I just exited off it. Hopefully, still can. Oh my god, guys, I can use 2 mouses. Oh no, I can't. Oh no, I can't. It does not work. It does not work. Apparently, 2 mouses don't work. So, yes. That's a set. Can I party, please? Oh, yeah, we are so amazing at party, yay! I made a dumb mistake and heart shake, and my friends say, Oh, that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. Oh, right, I'm still recording. Sorry. Oh, God. Mommy. Mommy, 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 mommy. Mommy, help me. Help me, mommy. Help me, mommy. Oh, we did it. Check. That went for like 3 minutes. Seriously. So I have to dunk it. With the devil, I think. Sorry, I'm sick. Let's go over there. Oh, see how good we are. The devil's suck. Oh. Okay, so... Oh, we got it! Oh, he just hit me in the head. Wasn't very nice of the devil. Actually, what am I thinking? He almost knocked my cup over. Isn't that illegal? Ugh, when's this gonna be over? Oh, how do you do that? Oh, no. Can I dunk it in my own one? Oh my god, I can. I can dunk it in my own one. Except I won't because I'm supposed to be doing it with the devil. How? How does he always get it in? Oh, she. I'm assuming it's gender. Oops. But seriously, how do they always get in and I don't? It's not nice. How long does this go for? I need to get on with my game. Did you see that? How? Did you see that? And how did I lose? That's my question. Look, when I'll try to do right here. See, mine would have knocked over and the devil's didn't. Oh, see? Oh, look, it's about to knock over. It would have knocked over in real life. No, you're not allowed to get in my cup. Oh my god, how long does this take? I might have to pause it. How? Okay, I'm gonna try one more round. Okay, so, if it doesn't work, if I don't win soon, I'm just gonna pause it and do it like this. Hey, oopsie, I forgot to pause my Netflix. I'll watch it later. Wait, doesn't the devil lose because he got in the middle? Oh, you suck, devil. Oh, yeah. I'm always going to lose this with the devil. Oh, I did it. Dress up for what? Can I be Spider-Man? Is this supposed to be Spider-Man? Collect. Oh god, this is hard. This is super hard to do. I've done it once, but it took me like 5 rounds, and I think it took me... Okay, oh god. Sorry if I said oh god and it offended anyone. I'll say oh gosh instead. See that lollipop? I think the lollipop's the last one. I did it, did I? Yes! Okay, that goes into candy. That goes no. That goes no. This goes yes. This goes no. This goes yes. This goes yes. This goes yes. This goes no. Did I do it right? Yay, I did it right! Bust out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, got to pause my Netflix. What are we busting out of? Oh yes, guys. How drag what? This is the one I got stuck on last time. I don't know how to do it. What? Do you guys know how to do it? Can you comment below and I'll make a part 2 of me actually getting past this level. Wait, maybe I'll watch a YouTube video on it. Okay, guys, how did I do that? I just clicked random buttons and I got on to the next level. Highway to Hell. I like hell. I want to go to hell. Why am I... You don't believe... Can I go to heaven? Stairway to heaven. Heaven. Okay, okay. So I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, I'm so close to heaven. Yeah. Apparently they don't want me to go to heaven. Yay, welcome to heaven. This is all. Aw, this was fun. Next time I should go to hell. Do you think I can? Or do you have to go? Well guys, thanks for watching the video. By the way, the YouTube videos on how to last level bust out didn't help me. I just started clicking a bunch of buttons on my keyboard and it worked. So yeah, that kind of surprises me. Well, see you later. Bye.